In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make voices yell in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll produce a louder, more intense delivery in ElevenLabs text-to-speech using the right voice, settings, and text formatting. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. In your browser, go to ElevenLabs.io, click Login, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to start. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. On the left sidebar, click Text-to-Speech to open the editor where you can choose a voice, adjust settings, and enter your script. Now, select an energetic or dramatic voice. Open the voice selector and browse for voices labeled with strong, expressive styles. Pick one that sounds bold or intense when you hover and preview. This gives you a strong base for a yelling effect without sounding strained. From here, see lower stability to around 30 to 40% for stronger expression. Find the stability slider and drag it down into the 30 to 40% range. Stability controls how consistent and controlled the voice is. Lowering it allows more variation in pitch and emphasis, which helps a voice project and feel more like a yell. Keep your cursor steady as you set the value so you don't overshoot. Next, increase style or style exaggeration. Locate the style slider and move it up to push the delivery harder. If you see a separate style exaggeration control, raise that as well to intensify how strongly the voice leans into its style. These settings increase emotional impact and projection, which is exactly what you need for a yelling effect. If only one of these controls is available, just increase the one you have. Don't worry if the UI looks slightly different. Some voices show both, others show just one. Now, write your text in all caps for emphasis, and use this sparingly. Click inside the text box and type your line entirely in uppercase. For example, "This is urgent." Using all caps signals to the model that words should be stressed and projected. Keep it to the parts you want shouted. Making the entire script uppercase can reduce naturalness. Add exclamation marks to boost intensity. Place one or more exclamation points where you want the delivery to peak, like "This is urgent." Exclamation marks are strong cues for louder, more forceful prosody, especially when combined with all caps. Click Generate and preview the result. Hit the Generate button, wait for the audio to render, and then press play to listen. Or watch the waveform and listen closely for projection, sharper attack on the words, and heightened emotion. If your text includes both all caps and exclamation marks with the lower stability and higher style settings, you should hear a clear yell effect that still sounds like natural speech rather than noise. At this point, you've made voices yell in ElevenLabs, and your preview confirms the intense delivery is working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.